Well, hey, my friends. I hope y'all are doing good on this Labor Day. I said while the watermelons are still out of this world sweet and delicious, I wanted to share a quick drink with you that I think your children would love. And for the adults, you could probably always add maybe a little vodka. Is that right?
Yeah.
Wouldn't you think vodka would be
rum.
Or rum? Yeah,
too.
yeah. Michael likes rum. All right. So like I said, it's very quick and you can have this done in no time. And we're going to start with, looks like about 5 cups of watermelon, which is about 1.5 pounds, y'all. And 1.5 cups of like ice cold water.
Oh, that lemon zest smells so good.
Doesn't that lemon zest smell wonderful? So I'm going to go ahead and rake that in there. Am I getting it in there? It's taller than me. Okay. That lemon zest it's like a piece of magic. And I've got a lemon sorbet. And I'm going to put what's equal to about 1 cup, y'all. Which would be half of this carton. Which I think that's it. But now I want to see what the lemon sorbet tastes like by itself. It's very tart. Very tart, y'all. That's it, y'all. That's it. So you've got a children's beverage, and then you've got an adult beverage. So I'm just going to put this in the refrigerator and let it get icy, icy cold. In fact, I wouldn't be opposed to putting this into the freezer, maybe for 30 minutes to get it icy, icy. But isn't that pretty? Y'all, I stuck this in the freezer for, what do you think, maybe 10 or 15 minutes? Not long, but I want this to be good and cold. So I had it in the refrigerator before that, but I'm going to give this a little stir. What do you think I need to garnish this with, Teresa? I don't think we have a whole bunch. Some mint is always.
Mint's always pretty. You can save a couple of pieces of watermelon.
Yeah.
With the rind on it.
I think almost just, yeah. Okay, here we go. Bon appetit. How do you say bon appetit drink? Bon appetit drink?
I would have just said Happy Labor Day.
Yes. What can you say? I'll be working on Labor Day, I bet. How about y'all?
And next, got a former Vidney.
This is incredibly good, y'all. Incredibly delicious. While the watermelons are still in season, you're so going to enjoy this. Yum. Love and best dishes, y'all. Don't work too hard on Labor Day. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.